We just had a red-eye flight that was almost 8 hours long. Had a full day of activities planned, except we only did a third of them, and we came back and took a long nap. And now it's dinner time. I'll probably insert some clips from Luxembourg Gardens, and it was very beautiful. Next up, we're gonna go find a place for dinner. So, see you there.
This morning, we started the day a little differently and headed to a baking class in Les Marais that I found on Airbnb Experiences. We had a pastry chef teach us how to make croissants and pain au chocolat, and honestly, it was such a fun change of pace from the usual sightseeing. I've been realizing that doing an activity like this makes a trip so much more memorable, and this one definitely did not disappoint. I'll put the class link below in case you want to check it out too. Here we go, it's brighter. Baked dinner.
How do we put these first?
First impression bite. This is Kevin's croissant.
After finishing our croissants in the park, I went on a little solo wander through Les Marais, which is probably my favorite neighborhood in Paris. I popped into a few shops, grabbed some macaroons, tried on a couple of Polen bags, and browsed stores that we don't typically have back in the US. It was just one of those slow, cozy afternoons that made the city feel extra special.
My macaroons from Pierre Hermé. But I picked like pretty much all fruity ones. I didn't pick any chocolatey ones or coffee ones. I feel like we don't like those types of macaroons. This one? This one I think is the Japanese Garden. This is strawberry yogurt. What, Japanese Garden?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take a bite first.
Okay, no, take a bite.
I don't know what the garden taste is, but it's like cherry. Cherry blossom.
Yeah. I think it's cherry in the middle.
It's like a little tart, which I like. Yeah, finish it. Do you like this one? This is passion fruit. It's like a little Krabby Patty. A French Krabby Patty. This one's really passion fruit. When you get to the cream, you can definitely taste it. I like that one.
Let's give me another bite.
How does this one compare to La Durée?
It is.
You think these are better? I think so too, actually.
It's like very
Soft?
very soft.
The main thing people say is that the La Durée ones have more go-to signature flavors, and the Pierre Hermé ones are more unique flavors.
Yeah, I don't have macarons that often.
Champs-Élysées. Getting the train crossing. This is aesthetic. Don't move.
like put it on my bread and then I poured the inside sauce over the.
Oh my god. Right, I'm so big. It's so much better than the steak frites place yesterday.
Yeah. Curious about the tartar.
Eat it. It's actually very flavorful.
A lot of
My brain is trying to comprehend all the flavors.
like what's going on.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
that's
I
really
like
good.
that.
I like it too. It's like very tender.
That's a good potato.
That's so good. And I normally don't like potatoes.
We started the day a little later than usual and biked over to Septime. It was a bit far from our hotel, but such a nice way to see the city. We had the first lunch seating at this Michelin star spot we've been very excited to try, and the reservation was quite hard to get, but it was definitely worth it. The ambiance, the service, and the unique dishes made it the perfect start to the day.
It like tastes like a foam, but it's solid.
It tastes like a foam, but it's solid. We're back home in our hotel an hour and a half later, maybe longer than that. How long?
And when we should have gone home,
After visiting the Eiffel Tower, we totally didn't realize that a lot of trains stopped running after midnight. So we ended up sprinting through the streets of Paris trying to get home, only to hop on the wrong train that went in the opposite direction. We suddenly found ourselves outside the city limits, struggling to get in and out of the station. So moral of the story is that if it's past midnight, just call a Bolt and save yourself the trouble.
But we're back.
safe and sound.
Safe and sound, and time to eat some macaroons. Bye!
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but I'll always